Hi, it's Top Cat Urban Explorer at Hoover and Merthyr. We're gonna have a look, see if we can get in. When we came in last time, we had to go along by the river and through a gap in the hedge, but the gates are actually open. Looks like it may be broken open. They've been broken open. Look at the condition on there. We're now in what we thought was the underground car park. Quite a lot of vandalism has gone on here since we've been last.
Don't hold the front. Huh? Don't hold anything on the front. All full of grease. Every bit of it. Okay?
And the worst if there's somewhere else, another way in. Have a proper look.
Shit. Make sure your phone's safe, Reese.
Make sure your phone's safe in your pocket.
Mine fell straight out of the pocket.
Come get it.
Hang on a minute.
Come get it.
Pass the phone back to...
You are joking.
No, we're not.
I'm not getting it.
Just slowly, one at a time. Don't bounce on it, don't jump on it. Step on it slowly.
It's behind you all.
Slowly. The lighter ones first. Slowly do it, alright?
Sorry. Take that away, please. You just sat on all the grease.
I know.
Paul, don't even jiggle on it. Just straight on.
Homeless been staying here.
Must have your arm, mate. Remember, you break it, we don't get out.
Is Big Paul going to break this?
Come on, Paul, you can do it.
Wait, is this the only thing that ain't greasy?
Yeah.
It's only greasy, it's greasy not on the outside, on the inside.
This is greasy.
But me, this is not
Need to move, Paul.
There's two more, man.
Well,
You don't need it, Brad. Just stand up. You're alright.
no, because I can get down there 2 seconds away.
Yeah, you can anyway. Just bend under, turn it
I
on.
can get it, just don't want to smash this.
You won't. It's round your neck.
Well, I was better than I thought.
Get this.
Just turn it around. It's okay.
I can't get this.
Put your hand on the right. On
Don't
this.
drop this on the floor.
You won't drop it, mate.
I don't want to drop it, I just want to go eat.
or walk alongside, going in and out. Right, now in the tunnel that goes from the old Hoover plant over to the working area. I'm a diameter 46 as well.
Oh, look at that. Big gap.
Wow.
Big gap. On the floor.
Goes on for miles.
13.
She's got for miles and miles. We don't know what's at the end yet. Whether we got to leg it back or not, we don't know. And now going to an operational area. The railway line there.
Go out.
It's getting lead.
It is abandoned.
No. We're now walking down, still walking. She's been going on for miles. Quite complex. I'll take your time now. Careful, Lisa. Take your time.
Stop your recordings.
Why?
We need to
Can't go any further. As you can see, there's washing machines all down there. And there's just security. There's a tunnel we went through.
Just now. But he is now. So we must attract some sort of attention. So we're going to make a slow move over there.
We're now on the roof of the Hoover building. Doing the last while looking around and be heading home soon. Wonderful view. Merthyr over there. That area over there is still being used. Hi, Top Urban Explorer. Now on the roof of the Hoover building. As you can see. Last up here roughly about a year ago. Don't know whether to go out that way or there's another way we can go out. It's sharp, full of wire. So like and subscribe, catch you again, bye. Don't know whether to go out that way or there's another way we can go out. It's sharp, full of wire. So like, oh well, farewell to Hoover factory. I don't think we'll ever come here again after all that. We're out and we're heading home.